Hello, I am Jyotiraj Brahmanandan, Chief Executive of Brahma Jyoti Supreme Office Worldwide. This is the 22nd video in this series. In the average time for past 21 videos is approximately about 19 minutes. So this video also I am planning for about 20 minutes. Sometimes I may take slightly more, since this is the last video in this round, in this year, in Aquarius Zodiac. Now we are in Aquarius Zodiac. Today, before starting, I will give you the time specification. We are in Aquarius Zodiac. Today is 14th March 2021, Sunday, and the stellar configuration is from Uttaradi star, that is Uttara Bhadrapada star. Being Aquarius, the presiding deity is Shasta, Yama, the god of death, representing Saturn planet, from Saturn planet. And being Sunday, this is the day of sun god. Being Sunday, all other deities are also present. Goddess wealth is present. Then, being Uttradishta, the presiding deity is Serpentine star or Draconian star, from Vedic times. This time is influenced by Uttaradi star. This time is by Draconian star, Draconian deity, Ahibuddhi. And this is very, in the previous video I have told these stars, 5 star, Avittam, Chadayam, Uttaradi, Avittam, Chadayam, Purutadi, Uttaradi, Revati. These stars should be free of all errors. But normally some errors or mishaps do happen, and if they happen, certainly that mishaps will recur severely in the coming year, within 1 year. That is the penalty that will happen. And in the previous star, Puritadi, the presiding deity was Ajayikapat. That is a one-legged deity. And that is why I told for every 30 seconds now lower limb amputation is happening in the world. Every 30 seconds. Now already I have covered about 3 minutes, and within this time there are 6 amputations happened in the world, lower limb amputations. By the time I complete this, almost 40 amputations must have happened. Will happen in the world. For every 30 seconds amputation is happening. So that is one case. That is from the previous star, Puritadi star. Just decided from Puritadi star, previous star. And today is Uttaradi star. Uttaradi star is the penalty is double. Double in the sense, both legs will be amputated. So within almost within 1 year, the second amputation of one leg, the second amputation of second leg will happen within 1 or 2 years. And within 5 years, the person will be over. That is the medical people that given the record. And the last star, Revati star, that is for almost finalization of records, and that will be given to again to medical star. That is to Ashwati star, first star. The time will be given to from after correction and appropriate correction. Only if you conform to our norms, we will give the corrections and give it to the health star. That is the Ashwati star. Ashwini star. That is the first star to begin with. My star is the last star. Well, all these accounts will be finalized. and that will be the time will be going to medical staff. That is why the medical system they have so update almost. I mean, they have not come up to our level, but still they get more or less updated information in the medical system. This Puritadista is something like the front leg, front aircraft. This is an aerial deity. Ajayikapad and Draconius, this Ahibhuti, they are aerial deities. So Ajayikapad has only one leg, just like the front tire of the aircraft. And Ahibhuti 2, that is a double penalty. That is like the rear portion of the aircraft. So you combine these two, the aircraft is complete. Something similar to that. And so that is about the present situation. And I have told today is the last day in Aquarius. Now we are completed. You can see the sun god the image of the sun god has moved to one of the extreme sides, inner sides. Now that sun god will move. I already started moving. By the next video, in this next video, you can see sun god in the topmost in the my right hand side topmost box. That is the next zodiac. That is Pisces. That is governed by ancient sage guru, not modern gurus. We don't consider them. They have already been disqualified. They don't have any say here, but still we have taken into consideration such things will happen. We know from earlier days, so that also we have considered, and some discussion will be based on that also, because you should know the history also. What has happened, why we are disqualified, that I have already discussed. Some more we will know in the coming days. I will tell you in the coming days. And here the Aquarius star, Aquarius zodiac, Yama is the god of death, is in charge. Now sun god is moving. For the last 1 month, the birth here in this zodiac was special because sun god was present. Not ordinary. This Saturn is something, a death that is people consider very dangerous. It's dangerous. Certainly, it's dangerous. This place is the Aquarius place is very dangerous. It's a place of death. This is a difficulty where it is being implemented. You will come to experience it in the coming days. From here, it is implementation is happening, but because of from the decision of sun god, and you have a chance to appeal to the Shastra. If you are ready to confirm and ready to reform, you will be considered for some relaxation. That's all. But the real decisions come from the chief or the king. Sun god the king represents sun god. And in the earlier video I had told the one house of sun or the king is directly opposite. That is the Leo. You can see my left hand side, bottom place, that is first one. Then second, above that is the Leo zodiac. You can see one direction pointer there, and then one square piece, that is a yantram, that is called a machine, ancient machine, through which messages can be sent. You can see pictures. From directly opposite place, if you see, you can see this office in Aquarius. Other details also. We can communicate to that place also. So from the control is from here, there. In Malayalam it is called Chingam. Chingam means something like Simha. Lion is called Simham, that is a king. And small people, little children, they call Chingam. That's why Chingam, Malayalam people call Chingam. That is that place, where I have placed the square box. Through that the communication can happen. From the direct view is there. From there you can have the direct view what is happening in Aquarius. From here we can see what is happening in Leo also. And incidentally, from Leo, this is the 7th house. 7th house. Starting from birth, this is the 7th house. 7th house is the house of wife, of king. So this is the house of king, wife of king. And previous video I have told, here mostly the Lakshmi, Lakshmi is daughter of, Mahalakshmi is daughter of Sage Phrigu. And she is present here. She is the goddess of wealth. She is present here as Vijayalakshmi. Vijayalakshmi means Lakshmi, that goddess who gives you success. So for the king, the real king, this really matters. This, she is present here as the goddess who gives you success. And that's why I told, most people consider Lakshmi as Lakshmi or wealth as money. It is not money alone. Because to get started, you should give some input or some strength. That is going to be Adi Lakshmi. That is in the starting how she was present. That is Adi Lakshmi. To start, you get some external. Even if you want to start an automobile, you require much effort. That is, torque should be much more. Some additional effort is required. Once the automobile start running, then much effort is not required. That will move. But to start, the inertia is there. To get that additional energy, or how it was there in the beginning, that is provided by Adi Lakshmi. Adi Lakshmi is Lakshmi in the beginning. That is very much needed. That is in the Sagittarius. My right hand side, that ancient books, Vedas, ancient knowledge books are there. Then Vastu Shastra book is there. Then Bible is there. Then Quran is there. Then a book about Buddha is there. Buddhism. That book, another book is there. After Quran, then a book on Buddha is there. Then another book about containing 21 major religion, another religion like Sikh religion, Jain religion. So many religions are there. About 21 other religions that have been, we are collected in that book is also there. It's all based on religion. This is how it was started in the beginning. So that place is occupied. There nothing modern there, nothing much modern there in that area. And these are all secret marriages. We allow only 3.4 defects per million opportunities. These are all governed by sages, ancient sages. And the immediate above, that is the house of money or wealth, the real wealth. That is most of the people are interested in what? Second place, the second box. But many people in the modern time, they assume the position of Lakshmi. That is a mistake you are taking, and you will be penalized. Now itself I am telling, you will be penalized for taking that position. If you are not qualified in the sense, if you do not have the proper attributes, you are not supposed to occupy that position. Goddess of wealth position you are not supposed to occupy. Because I have several times I have told, Lakshmi or Mahalakshmi, whatever form she takes, she is daughter of Sage Phrigu. So you understand the culture of sages that is there in the character and behavior of Lakshmi. She don't deviate from these norms. So when you take the position of Lakshmi, you should have those attributes or those qualities, and you should conform to those norms. That is a must. Otherwise, there is just like you taking a fake identity, just like whatever position, in a government position or private firm, if you take a position like something like a senior officer, a chief officer, whatever position you take, once you are detected, you are making malpractice, we will catch you. So you are not supposed to not even think about such a position unless you are qualified. That's why several times she is daughter of Sage Phrigu. That norm, the culture is there, that background is there, that character is there, the norms she is following. So you can take the position if you conform those norms, because I have created that norms. Sage Prigu, he has cleared my accounts like education, family life, marital life, then official. Whatever I have done, I am going to do. Official, then health, then one more is there. For now, already I completed 5. Sixth one, sixth one is there. Then and all other accounts. About 6 accounts specific, and now the 7th account is all other accounts. These are all error free. That is there is not even a spot error as a spot. So Goddess of Wealth can be present here because her accounts are error free with me. So she can be present here. She can make a transactions also. But when you make a transaction taking you as Goddess of Wealth or Goddess of Education or Goddess of Learning, and you have only 45% accuracy or cultural level, then you are committing a mistake. Grave mistake. You will be caught and punished. That's why many people are being caught and punished. Even if you are holding a high position, you will be caught and punished. Because the culture behind is different. That you should remember. When you assume that position, you can make monetary transaction, no doubt. But when you say you occupy or assume a position of Goddess of Wealth, that is different. This advanced information I am telling, so please remember this. And we are almost completed this this analysis and audit in Aquarius. And we are moving to Pisces. And almost 3 months, more than about 3 months it is already over since we have started this video series. And we are working from, this office is functioning for about 21 years with the authorization of Sage Prigu. And nobody, there were a few people, individually they approached, but recently nobody. We got some money also, some amount of money. From individuals we got some money. And we did corrections also. That is also true. But in recent times, in the last 3 years, we didn't get any money. Even our repeat appeals, we know. But you should first, even in your bank, if you want to get some service, you should get an account. That is the very must. If you want to get into a train, you must have a ticket. If you have a ticket, you can then extend, no problem. But first, you should have a ticket. At least one account should be with us. That is, repeatedly I am telling you, you should have that provision. You should have meet that requirement. Then again, similar situations, several situations are there. So you get subscribed. If there are errors, certainly we will correct. See, we will correct that account. You don't bother about whether your accounts are right or not. We will correct. Probably if you are done wrong and got so much, a lot of money, and if you in future, if we find out the errors, we may rectify. That is our duty that we have to do. For that you cannot complain. But if you get an account with us, certainly you will get a better future. At least in the coming generation. Otherwise, all the wealth is going to be lost. This is unauthorized. That is unauthorized. What we are doing is unauthorized. I have told there is a discipline. There should be discipline in the world of sages, say in Kerala. In Kerala, if you are creator, the sage Brahma, the creator, Parashurama, sage Parashurama is telling, they